Inventor 2015's new ExpressView capabilities enhance users' experience when working with large assemblies, and Express Mode data is of even greater benefit now when creating and working on drawing views of these assemblies. Users can remain in Express Mode view and still edit parts and subassemblies in place without having to open them in a separate window. A much larger selection of commands are now accessible in Express Mode, such as the Section View command, which enables users to temporarily slice open the display of an assembly, thereby enhancing the visibility of components, which would otherwise be obscured. Additionally, users may now create new components, create and edit work features, model features, sketches, and patterns, as well as gaining access to mirror and assemble commands.